Alright, you guys, as you've seen in my last video, I did end up getting this Glam Your Nail box. It's a secret mystery box from Rosie's Nails. And basically, they ended up sending this to me to try out, which I was super excited about. They do have an Instagram and all of their other social media stuff. They have Instagram, Facebook, and a YouTube channel. And so basically, it just says, up to 3 weeks of salon quality nails. DIY manicure, non-toxic, quick and easy, no UV light lamp needed. Oh, so that's nice for you guys. Calcium and vitamin E fortified, up to 21 days wear. Okay. And it says thoroughly clean the nail plate and apply a layer of our rosy base coat. Dip the nail powder in your rosy glam powder. So first you're going to want to go ahead and use the base coat, and then after we're going to dip your nail into the rosy glam powder, then apply a second layer of base coat. Okay, so you're going to go to this one, then this one, then this one. And once again, dip your nails into rosy glam powder. Repeat this dip step until you get the desired depth of color. Number 4, coat the nail with a layer of rosy activator, then gently buff the nail, then apply another layer of rosy activator. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this on a tip. Okay, so I have this cute little handle thing right here, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So I am going to lightly buff. So usually with things that they say that you should clean it, I assume that it is take an alcohol pad to it. And then after, so basically now what I am going to do next is just follow the instructions. So I cleaned it, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat. So the number 2, it is the base coat. And I feel like the neat thing about this is not having to put it in the light or anything like that. I feel like that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go not all the way up to the cuticle. So that little area that is supposed to be like the cuticle area. And I am not going to go all the way up to that. Okay. So dip the nail into your rosy glam powder, then apply a second layer of base coat. So let's go ahead and dip this in. Okay, and that is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys from the side what it looks like. I think I went a little bit higher up on one side than the other, but the color honestly is really, really pretty. Let me know what you guys think about the color down below. Okay, and it says dip the nail into the glam powder. Okay, so basically you're going to repeat this step until you get the desired depth of color. I do feel like the pigment is coming off in the brush a little bit. So you might need a wipe before putting it back in. You guys might need to wipe the brush before putting it back in. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this back. Okay, so I feel like I'm pretty happy with the color. I feel like I only really had to do it twice. Okay, so next it says that you guys are going to need to go ahead and get the Rosy Essential Nail Activator. And this one, it is a little bit more liquidy. The smell of this one is a little bit stronger. Okay, so again, the color, it is coming off a little bit. Go ahead and just do the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead and screw on all my tops just so nothing falls over. It says coat the nail with a layer of rosy activator, then gently buff the nail, then apply another layer of activator. Okay, so I feel like it is pretty much dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and lightly buff. Not getting too crazy. Just making sure that there is no lumps and bumps. I do feel like the product, I do feel like it was pretty smooth. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dust this off really quick. And then after, I'm going to go ahead and get the activator once again. Okay, I'm going to get this activator and I'm going to just paint another coat of it. So I'm just basically going to go in and shape it a little bit. It says that you could basically be done with it now, but I feel like, honestly, shaping and whatnot, I feel like it kind of gives more of that polished look. So I'm just going to go ahead and shape it up a little bit. Just because you guys know I love the edges tapered in. I went ahead and filed everything really quick. I kind of angled it in just a tad bit just to give it a little bit more shape. And basically the top coat that comes with it, I believe that it is just an air dry top coat, so it's not something that you do need to cure. But I would definitely recommend going in with an actual top coat. It says that it only takes 30 seconds to dry for this one, but to get that extra gloss, I think you guys would much rather have a glossy top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the top coat that I'm going to be going for. Okay, so I am going to be getting this Montage UV LED one. I'm just going to go ahead and put a very thin layer. With this, it's really good because it'll make your manicure last, and just the longevity of it, I do feel like would be very nice, just because you don't have to worry about it getting scratched and stuff, or if there are any scratches if you're really rough on your hands. Okay, this is going to go onto the lamp for 30 seconds, but if you guys are rough on your hands at all, I do feel like this would be perfect for you guys just because it is a super easy manicure. So even if you did mess up your nails, it's easy, super easy to fix. But a dip powder is something that you guys do want to try. I am actually going to be giving this set away. So if you guys do want to enter, I will end up having a giveaway for this, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it this way so you guys could see. It is not a super thick product at all, which is really nice. It is super easy to do. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys really do want to be in this giveaway, make sure to hit that like button and that bell button. It will notify you every time I post a new video. So the next time when I do post the giveaway winner, it will be in my YouTube. So make sure to stay posted for the next video. I feel like this product is super effortless and it's just beautiful. I feel like there's different ways that you could customize it depending on how thick you want to go with it or how thin you want to go. So if you're someone who wants to do natural and not do super thick, like make it look kind of more like, I guess, like a gel polish, but have the durability of kind of a little bit of acrylic, I feel like this would be good for you because it would just thicken up your nails just enough. Or if you guys want to even step it up a notch and do a couple more layers, you guys are more than welcome to. This is very customizable for you guys. So make sure to check them out on Instagram and make sure to hit that follow button and follow me on Instagram, and then you guys could be notified when I do this giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as usual, I'll be back with more videos. Bye.